What's up, Damians? Ngayon nga ang pinakahihintay ng lahat dito sa Nostro Bisap College, ang Sidlak 2025. Are we ready?
Yes,
We are! Guys, what's up? So nakikita ninyo papunta kami ngayon sa iba't ibang places dito sa
Yes!
Notre Dame. So second day nga pala natin ngayon sa vlog na to.
Yes,
Ano, no?
guys.
Partner.
Second day of Sidlak 2025. Ay, mas maitim ako.
Wow. Hi! So this is it, finally. Mapian maandaw kaniyo na langon. Magpapakilala muna ako. I am George Binimerito, a vlogger. Char! Oh my God! Wow! Hindi po, partisipante lang po ng vlog today sa CAS department. So magsisimula na ngayon, sasamahan niyo kami dahil sabay-sabay natin i-explore at makita ninyo kung ano nga ang magaganap today. Sino kaya ang mananalo para sa overall championship na tatanghaling champion sa Sidlak 2025? Hi, Gov! Excuse me. Magpakilala ka po, Gov.
So, hi po. I'm Blessed Jane Ermeje and I'm the governor of College of Arts and Sciences.
Ano po yung preparation ng CAS department ngayon?
So, ang preparation ng CAS department ngayon is simple lang. Nag-pray lang mi, guys.
Correct.
Nag-pray lang jud mi.
Pray ra jud para mudaon.
Yes.
So, thank you so much, Gov. Highly appreciated po.
Thank you po. At may isa tayong participante na spoken poetry na si
So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Alvicin. I am a first-year student of Bachelor's of Computer Science.
How did you feel during the event?
Actually, it was really nerve-wracking because, first of all, it was my first time. Isipin mo, first year pa lang din ako. So, recommend ako ng teacher na you should participate in spoken poetry because you're fluent in English. Pero not that fluent, but ng balance lang. So, yeah, I take the challenge. They give me a script. I practice it. However, during the first weeks of the practice, I did not really practice because kasali din ako sa badminton competition. So, yeah, I first prioritized the badminton and then after the game, sabi ko, I guess wala siguro akong future dito sa badminton. So, yeah, I began to practice the spoken poetry. I guess it take 3 days para ma-memorize ko lang yung piece and then naitawid ko yung performance ko and I'm glad that I finished it.
Thank you. Hi, I'm joined here today with.
Hello everyone. So I am Sarah May S. Kabingatan from the Department of College of Arts and Sciences and my course is BS Psychology po.
So I have a question for you. Are you participating in any event?
Yes po, I'm participating in vocal solo po.
Okay. So how has preparation been for you so far?
So far I am practicing with my student coach po.
So are you excited for the event?
Not really because I'm kinda nervous. Yes,
Well, I'm sure you'll do a great job.
I hope so.
Okay, well, thank you.
Welcome.
At yan, ating ma-interview ngayon at makakausap ang pinakamagandang dilag ng cast department, Miss.
Hi, I am Kay and I am the Vice Governor of the College of Arts and Sciences, Blue Falcons, and in terms of our preparation, humble me, pero mamambras kami!
Okay, next question, Vice Gov is our, unsa man imo ang murag tawag ana, ano yung ano? Meron ba, do you think merong laban ngayon ang ano natin, department natin?
Yes, of course, may laban kasi may kalaban.
Correct! Thank you so much.
This is our last vlog! Kita-kits mga Academians next year, Siglap 2026!
Sana po'y nag-enjoy kayong lahat.
Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye!